35 years ago, a dynamic group of doers, fueled with the dream of building a modern world, entered the construction business, and thus began the exciting success story of ANC Holdings. Since then, the Dubai-based company has not only played a significant role in its home country's development, but has also spread its operations into the GCC and the Indian subcontinent in businesses as varied and challenging as trading, foods, process, education, investment, real estate and advertising. Today, more than 23 companies with a workforce of over 9,000 employees from 43 different nations operate under the proud flagship of ANC Holdings. Besides a solid and fast-growing portfolio, ANC Holdings holds the distinction of partnering with the world's largest steel company, ArcelorMittal, multi-investment leaders in the UAE and Middle East, Dubai Investments, BJSC, and the versatile Flag Holdings Group from Abu Dhabi. As part of its vibrant business expansion strategy, ANC Holdings has made its foray into the oil and gas business, forming its first joint venture alliance with Corrtech International Private Limited India. The new company, born of this alliance, will take on both parent company names and be called ANC Corrtech Engineering and Construction LLC. With an exclusive focus on the Middle East and African regions, ANC Corrtech hopes to become a leading integrated services provider to the oil, gas and power generation industries worldwide. Across nations, we draw new lines of energy. Across installations, we fortify the forces of modern living. Across the globe, we help build fires that warm homes and fuel lives. We are Corrtech, a leading integrated services provider to the oil, gas and power generation industry worldwide. The Corrtech journey began in 1982, and since then, Corrtech has grown as one of the most prominent companies in the construction of oil and gas cross-country pipelines, terminals and related facilities in the oil and gas sector. Apart from being one of the largest cathodic protection solution provider in the country, Corrtech is also a pioneer in India in providing total solution to the owners and operators of GE design heavy-duty industrial gas turbines throughout the world, offering an employee skill base and OEM experience in industrial turbine maintenance solution. Identifying the emerging opportunity in gas piping, today, Corrtech is one of the leading manufacturers of pipeline products required in the oil and gas network. Foremost among these accomplishments is engineering, procurement and construction of oil and gas pipelines, terminals and allied facilities in the oil and gas sector. Corrtech has successfully accomplished the laying, testing and commissioning of more than 2,100 kilometers of oil and gas pipeline projects up to 48-inch diameter. It is one of the few companies to have executed the complex task of X80 pipe welding and in a single work day has efficiently welded 101 joints by semi-automatic and 201 joints by automatic welding technique of 48-inch dia pipeline. Corrtech has grown to become one of the most trusted names and a complete contracting company in the oil and gas sector. With one of the largest equipment and manpower contingents in the region, Corrtech executes all specialized jobs through its in-house capabilities. To eliminate dependency and have qualitative control over its projects, Corrtech holds a large fleet of state-of-the-art machinery for pipeline construction, terminals, processing plants, horizontal direction drilling and allied facilities in the oil and gas sector. The company's equipment lineup includes automatic and semi-automatic welding stations, pipe layers, horizontal directional drilling rigs, excavators, specialist pipeline equipment including bending machines, testing rigs, compressor, pay welders, etc. is one of the largest in the region. When required, Corrtech can summon up more resources through its associates. Corrtech is also an approved main contractor to all major public and private sector companies in India and has expanded its operations to the MENA region. The company has equipped itself with the acumen and the technology to carry out most rugged crossing operations. Equipped with high-tech rigs weighing up to 300 tons, a crucial element of Corrtech's mega projects is horizontal directional drilling. The company has dynamically executed 40 projects involving 35 kilometers of crossings for various long-distance cross-country pipelines in India and overseas, ranging up to 36-inch diameter using the same technology. The oil and gas sector holds great importance as well as a promise for the future. Corrtech has succeeded in demonstrating itself as a preferred partner in this sector by managing to establish several impacting landmarks and associations. The company has created a benchmark by completing the longest HDD crossing of 2.2 kilometers of 24-inch diameter pipeline in the country. Scaling new heights in the business of cathodic protection of pipelines, cross-country pipeline constructions, horizontal directional drilling and station piping for over 25 years, Corrtech expanded its entrepreneurial vision and created a business corollary in 2005. Control Plus Oil and Gas Solutions Private Limited was established to render comprehensive solutions for the gas industry, such as engineering, manufacturing, fabrication, repair and testing activities, and to craft comprehensive pipeline products like gas conditioning skids, pig handling systems, gas odorization units, pressure vessels, filters and cyclone separators required in a gas network to service the gas-rich areas around the world. With a self-sufficient workshop spread over 27,000 square feet and a well-equipped in-house design and testing facility, Control Plus is committed to creating services and products of the highest quality. Corrtech has fulfilled its promise of quality for the last 30 years in its specialized field of cathodic protection. Corrtech has successfully provided expert cathodic protection system for petrochemical plants, refineries, power plants, fertilizer plants, and other offshore and onshore structures. Standing on the front lines, ever striving to meet the growing global demand for reliable power in an environmentally responsible manner, Corrtech established Corrtech Energy. Corrtech Energy offers the owners and users of heavy-duty industrial gas turbine across the globe a complete range of products and services that increase performance and reliability, minimize costs and risks, and optimize operations and maintenance. The conceptual dream of Corrtech Energy was to be an efficient gas turbine services provider by developing field services capabilities. In less than a decade, propelled by its state-of-the-art manufacturing and repair facilities, highly skilled employees, and global network, the company today offers total maintenance and support solutions to gas turbine customers worldwide. And its unmatched product quality, competitive pricing, and impressive services have established Corrtech Energy as a dominant market player. Corrtech has to its credit a comprehensive inventory that offer repair services, replacement spares, auxiliary parts, and consumable parts. The immense servicing capacities of the company enable it to provide considerable logistical backup and guarantees quick turnaround. This dedication has awarded all the group companies with an ISO certification and has also been authorized by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, to use the U and R stamps for pressure vessels constructed in accordance with codes. Along with providing impeccable products and services to its customers, Corrtech strives to enable a safe environment for its employees and actively maintains an environmental policy of no or minimal impact of its activities on its surroundings. With an uncompromising commitment to quality, Corrtech doesn't believe in resting on its laurels, but in continuously improving performance and pushing the boundaries of excellence. And this mission mantra has yielded dividends both economically and socially. What began as a domestic dream is now a worldwide phenomenon, making its presence felt in every corner of the globe, partnering with international giants of the oil and gas industry. The Corrtech trident of EPC business in oil and gas construction projects, Control Plus and Corrtech Energy, founded on the strength of its technical and engineering capabilities, has found success through its three arms of quality, creativity, and dependability.